If you want to connect Mailchimp with Volusion, this video will walk you through the full setup in a simple, step-by-step way using Zapier. This is a great automation if you want to move customer data, subscriptions, or leads between your store and your email marketing workflow without doing everything manually. By the end, you'll know how to build the integration, test it, and publish it successfully. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create option and click it. This is where you begin building a new automation. After that, click on Zaps so you can start from a standard workflow setup. Now, you'll be inside the Zap editor, and the first thing you need to do is choose your trigger. Click on Trigger to select the app that will start the automation. In the search bar, type Volusion and click on it when it appears. This tells Zapier that your Volusion store will be the starting point for the workflow. Next, you need to choose an event. Select any event that fits your automation goal. Depending on what you want to do, this could be something like a new customer, a new order, or another action inside Volusion. Once you've picked the event, log into your Volusion account so Zapier can access the data it needs. After the trigger is set up, it's time to add the action. Click on Action to define what should happen after the Volusion trigger goes off. In the app search field, click on Mailchimp. This connects your email marketing platform as the destination for the automation. Then, just like before, click on Choose an Event and select the Mailchimp action that matches your goal. Again, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account so Zapier can connect the two platforms properly. Make sure you give it the correct permissions so the automation can run without issues. Once both apps are connected, look for the Build It button at the top. This is where Zapier helps you configure the details of the workflow. Review the trigger and action settings carefully so everything is mapped the way you want it. If you need to adjust anything, this is the best time to do it before testing. Now click on Test Run. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the integration is working correctly before you make it live. Watch for any errors or missing fields and make sure the sample data moves the way you expect. If the test works properly, that means your Volusion to Mailchimp connection is ready to go. Finally, click on Publish. Once you publish the Zap, your automation will be active and Zapier will begin handling the workflow automatically in the background. From that point on, your Volusion and Mailchimp integration will save you time and help keep your customer communication organized, and that's it. You've successfully set up Mailchimp in Volusion using Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.